Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So for today's video, I am going to do lash lifting this time. If you haven't seen my last video, I did, well, a couple of videos ago, I did a brow lift, and this time I want to try the lash lifting part. I did the brow lamination. It didn't quite stay, so it makes me nervous to know if this is going to stay or not, but we'll see. Before we get into this video, feel free to give it a like and also feel free to subscribe, and let's get going. I look so good right now. The video when I tried using this product, I did it on my brows because I wanted to try the brow lamination first. It kind of stayed, but at the same time it didn't. Right now it just makes my brows easier to brush up, so I guess the only thing that's the bonus about it. It's I can brush up my brows so much easier into one direction than I could before. So I'm going to be doing one eye at a time because I need to see what I'm doing. And also, since I'm doing it on myself, I'm not going to be applying the eye pads that it says to do for step number 2. Eyes are already cleaned. I did all that ahead of time. Washed my face, put the moisturizer on, but then also I wanted to put a spot treatment on because for some reason I have some breakouts near my forehead. The spot treatment I have on is actually a mask. It is the Ageless Total Resurfacing Mask from Image. So then it says, put glue on the eye pads and place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it is staying in place. Got the box of the eye pads here. I can't remember what number my sister said to use. I like the largest one because that's a deeper curve. So I got the M2 size. Okay, so then it says you take the glue, put it on, and then put it on your upper part of the eyelid. So my eyelids are all cleaned. I didn't put any eye cream on them or anything, so to make sure that these will stay on. This looks so long, I don't know how this is gonna fit on my face. I need to place this on the upper part of my eyelid. This is hard with nails. Close. This is difficult. I don't know. Oh no. Shit, I might have trouble getting it to stay on the edges. I don't know. Apply the glue on your lashes to keep it stuck. My lashes don't want to stick. Ah! Big freaking woolly stuck to that spoolie. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Oh, this isn't working. These aren't flexible enough. Now it says to apply the firming lotion to your lashes and cover it with plastic wrap. Okay. My lashes are fucking coming off. I'm just gonna go for it. And cover it with plastic wrap. Oh, my lashes are crisscrossing. Ah! Alright, so I'm gonna go wait 10 minutes and I'll come back for the next step if I don't freak out. Oh, this is hard. Whatever. It says remove perm lotion with the Y brush. Okay. I'm holding this corner down because I just put more glue below, but it keeps popping up. This is not gonna work out. Now I applied the fixation lotion. and cover up again. Oh my god, this is hard. This is so hard. What the fuck? Lifting. It's not fucking staying. Moving on to the next step. My cellar water. I think I'm gonna have to get my sister to help me with this. It says to apply like a nourishing lotion, so I just have this castor oil. Like, it didn't work. This is the same effect I can get from curling my lashes. Like, curled lashes, lash lift. It's just not working for me. So like, this didn't work for me. Like, maybe I didn't glue them enough, but I feel like you can't put that much glue. If not, the stuff isn't gonna penetrate your eyelashes. It's like not gonna finish. And if I get my sister to fix them for me today, then cue my sister doing my lashes. Restrictions have been lifted in my area, don't worry. If you saw that my sister did my lashes, and they look good, thank you to her, and good night. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching this failed video. It's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Like, I don't know what I did wrong, but I definitely did something wrong. But it's been 40 minutes and my lashes don't look any better. I've had like success doing lash lifting on yourself. Let me know how it went and what you did. I had fun trying this out. It was an interesting experience, so to say the least. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.